Hey guys, it's Brandon here with Rocky Mountain Eurosport, and today we will be installing the clear reflector lights in the front of the 2024 Porsche 911 Turbo S. It's a super quick install, so I will be showing you guys how to do it, and if you guys do want to do it in the future on your Turbo S, you'll know how to in less than 20 minutes. So here we have the clear OEM reflectors. We ordered them directly from Porsche. There's also numerous amount of websites you can order them from. So let's go ahead and swap these out really quick. So if you come close here, so this is held on by a spring. So if you just push out, just pop out like that. And there is a connector right back here. You just want to unhook. And there we go, just like that. So now we'll go ahead and take the clear one. We will connect the little pigtail back here, so it's all connected. Making sure you do have the right side. It is marked on the back right here. Left for left side. So now we'll go ahead, pop that guy in there just like that. It's a minor change, but I think it makes a huge difference. I think it really ties well with the rest of the clear lights, especially the headlights on the front, the daylight running lamps on the front bumper, as well as the clear tail lights in the back. So super happy with how that came out and super easy install. Go ahead and swap the right side out. So put this, car's PPF, don't worry. So same, I'll just, the car is PPF, so this does get stuck, as you can hear it. Okay, there it goes. All right, that one was not fun. Give me a really hard time. All right, that one's out. And here's the one for the clear reflector. So part numbers, right side, QR code. Let's get this one installed really quick and then we're done. Install the pigtail connector. Okay. Line it up. Chiropractor. Oh, there we go. All done. So we'll go ahead and just test them out, just make sure they work first. So you can just click the key fob. Perfect, they're lighting up. No more orange reflectors, just an orange light with clear lenses. But much better design. I think it ties in well with the car. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Always make sure when you're doing these types of things at home by yourself that you are testing everything out. Be sure to go and find a YouTube video just like this one. So if you like more content like this, please leave a follow and a like, and we hope you guys stay tuned for the next video.